Hey everyone, it's Wednesday the 14th of September. So halfway through the month, but this is effectively day two for me. And it's a good green day. And I say good green day, not only is it green, we're over goal. So $5,225 is the sum total of today's profits. So that's a good day. And today was an exercise in patience and discipline. What I mean by that is there wasn't a lot to trade. We got BioInfinity, which I traded pre-market, and we managed to get $300 out of that. We got a 15-cent move, with the spreads taken into consideration. We was able to get $300 out of that with 2,500 shares. So nothing else really moved. I was really liking the look of pre-market. Then when the bell rang, nothing changed. Bell rang, and it was about 20 minutes before we started to get an introduction into volatility. And I traded one more stock. So only two stocks today, BioInfinity, which is BIAF. And I traded also Altimmune, which is ALT is the ticker that goes under. I traded BioImmune or BIAF pre-market to get the $300. And I traded Altimmune after the bell. So it was approaching 10 a.m. market time before we actually took a trade on that. It was moving up steady. I didn't like the look at it. So what I look for is I look for volatility and I look for volume. So I want to be getting quick moves where I can get in, get a profit, get out again. Maybe ride it for a little while if it continues an upwards trend. And Altimmune was just steadily climbing. It reached a point where I was thinking, okay, this could go. So I got in and rode it for a little while. I took 5,000 shares and I went up with, managed to get to my early goal. So I said today's goal was going to be 3,200. So I got over goal on the day. And then I got to my, annual goal, so my average daily goal, which is 5,000. So I actually got to 4,900, or 4,600, I think it was. That I needed $400 more in order to get to my average daily goal for the year. So I went back in and had another trade, and I thought, okay, if I get over $400, that's it, closing down, and that's essentially what I did. Got in, got green, over goal, stayed green, stayed over goal, got out. And took the dog for a walk, came back. I was going to have a look at the markets, and do you know what I did instead? I went and took a nap. So I didn't even do a power hour live stream. So I went and took a nap. So that's essentially living the good life in my book. You get in. It took me from the first trade I took to the last trade that I got out of. It was less than 90 minutes on the day. And that is the reality. If you're going to be at your desk, at your trading station all day, 8 hours a day, the likelihood is you're going to lose money. So the best advice I can give any new trader is get in, get green, over goal, get out. Leave it, walk away. It doesn't matter if there's big moves. If there's big moves, there'll be big moves tomorrow. It doesn't matter if you leave money on the table. You're never going to get 100% of any move. Point blank. So get in, get to your goal, get out again. There's a reason you have a goal. If you've got a target and you just keep trying to smash it every single day and giving back money so that you end up getting over target and then losing it again, what's the point in having the target in the first place? You have a target for a reason. And I've been saying today in the Discord, the Day Trade with Tony, with the Day Trade with Tony students, speaking to the guys in the Discord, that, look, discipline is key. Greed is what kills traders. If you're looking for too much, if you're swinging for the fences too often and you're looking to hit your goal on every single trade, it's not going to go favorably. You're going to lose money. If you're not cutting your trading, if you're over trading, and you're not stopping when you reach your daily goal or when you've passed your daily goal, then the likelihood is that you're overtrading. Overtrading leads to fatigue, it leads to misjudgment, it leads to getting faked out, it leads to giving money back to the market. So get green, get to goal, and get out. There's no need to be sat at your desk 8 hours a day. That's one of the benefits of being a professional day trader. I say professional, doing it for a living. Okay, that's one of the benefits of day trading, and doing it for a living is that it should, if you're doing it right, free up the rest of your day to do whatever it is that you enjoy doing, whether that's playing football in the park with the kids, whether it's playing FIFA on the PlayStation. It doesn't matter. Whatever it is that you like to do, go and do that instead. Hit your goal, make your profits, and get out. So I'll give you, I'm not even going to go over the trades. I'm going to replay the trades for you. I'll edit some of the non-events that are happening in there so it takes place a little bit quicker. But watch the trades, see what you think, and I'll be back at it again tomorrow, 90 minutes before the market opens. That's 8 a.m. market time, New York, East Coast. That's 1 p.m. here in Ireland. It's 1 p.m. in the UK, 2 p.m. on the continent of Europe. Wherever you are, work out your own time zone, and I'll see you then. We'll do it all over again. $5,000 is more than enough daily for anybody. That's $5,000 a day is a seven-figure year. That's what I set out at the beginning of the year, and that's what I'm on track to do. So get to gold, get green, get out. I'll see you. Enjoy the replays, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. So that's double topped at 68. There we go. Let's see what we can get out of this, if anything. Spreads are okay. It's like 1-2 cent spreads. They're not bad. The question is, what's your target on this? For me, 10 cents is probably going to be sufficient. We'll look for 15, 5.90. Lock that in. It's got 15 cents on that move. We've got $300, which is a nice start. Not deliberately not going to swing for the fences. Base hits. I'm just waiting now for the break of $6. I might take a position. For a bounce, maybe get 1350 on this. First 5-minute red candle in a while on this one. I just bought the dip. It's 95, 98. There we go. Here we go. Had to have been quick there. To lock some in there, and I'm going to put a 20-cent stop in place. I need to cancel that and put a trailing stop in place, I think, when it starts to move back up. There we go, 20-cent trailing stop. Let's see how much we can make on this. So we're finally got the breakout above 1350, which is what I was looking for, but bit of patience. So not a bad way. $3,300, and that's me hit the goal for today. I did say earlier in the stream before pre-market, I said my goal today was 3,200, and I've made 3,350. So we're ahead of goal already. I'm happy with that. All right, here we go. Looking for the break of the $0.75. Oh. Current high of day is 1390. Looking for a new high. Got it. Got it. Didn't last. Let's see what we can get. Can we get $14 here? Lock a bit more in there. Put a 10-cent trailing stop in. That's going to be too short because the spreads are like 5 cents, but as much as 5 cents. But look, it is what it is. Break $14. I might get a nice little win out of this. Okay, so 4,600. Maybe I can get my actual daily goal, which is 5,000. I need 400 more. I'll wait for a pullback. I can get another 400 out of alt. I will call it a day. There's 100 more. We'll put trailing stop in there to give me that extra 100. That'll do. I'll have hit my 5,000 daily goal, and that's me done trading for the day. I'm just keeping it simple for now. Build the account back up. So I've got 2,500 shares in here. I've got a trailing stop. There we go. So 5,225. That's me done for the day. I'm going to walk away. I'll stick around for the rest of the stream for half an hour, but I'm not trading now. I'm going to lock my montage and be disciplined about it. There we go. No more trading for me today. You've smashed your daily goal and walking away again, Alistair. That's exactly what you need to be doing. That's what I'm going to be doing today as well. I've locked my montage. I've hit my daily goal. To be fair, there's not a huge amount of things moving.